So today we are up in Brighton in this beautiful home, and in this video I'm going to be talking you through this brand new Lexola outdoor kitchen that we have just installed. So we were contacted by the customer because he had this space outside his house with this glass shelter over it, and he wanted to use something, create something where he could come out here and he could cook all year round in undercover and entertain friends and family. So we have just launched our new Lexola range of kitchens and the pods as well. You may have seen them on our social media accounts. So these are powder coated aluminium frames, and we use cement board doors. We can also use tricoya doors. The beauty of these is that we can powder coat the frames any color we like, and we can use any color door we like as well. So we can really match into anything that you've got in your home or in your garden. If there are specific textures, if there are specific colors that you're trying to match, we can do that. We can pretty much create anything that you need. The units themselves we can make to any size or any shape, so we can fit any kind of space. We can include any appliance into them, so it's a really versatile kitchen system. So the frame color on here is RAL color 7015, which is slightly lighter than the anthracite color most people have on their doors and their windows, but this matches the fence behind perfectly. And you can see that we've used the doors as well. This is a Tech T, so it's got like a really nice sort of lined, sort of velvety finish to it, and that matches the frames exactly as well. So you can see on this end here we've created the undergrill unit, and this is to house the Napoleon 665 Pro barbecue. So this is a 7-burner barbecue. It's got 5 main burners, infrared back burner, and it's got a burner underneath the smoker tray there as well. You could put wood chips in there and smoke your food. So this is a huge barbecue. It's just about a meter long, lots of space on there for cooking loads and loads of food for your friends and family. Underneath we've got double cupboards. They're all push to open, so they're completely handleless. We have other options as well where you can have handles or you can have finger rails as well. But underneath there is a huge space there. Customers got their gas tank underneath there, but there's enough space to keep the rotisserie and other bits and pieces in there too. To the right of that, we have got the fridge unit. So this is a Caso integrated fridge. These are available in a stainless steel or a black color. The thing I like about these is that you can actually build a unit for them to sit in. So a lot of the fridges that we do, they sit on the floor. They are a lot bigger than this, but the beauty of these is that you can create a unit for it actually to sit in, which is what we've done here. So it really does feel like it's integrated. So that's a decent fridge there. You've got plenty of space in there for keeping all your drinks and your food cool. So next to that, we have the Monolith Kamado. This is the 0.55 version. This is a fantastic piece of kit. It's a ceramic oven. It runs on charcoal. It's really good for slow cooking and smoking pulled pork, briskets, things like that. You can also cook direct over the charcoals as well. You take the deflector plates out and cook direct over those. This is a really great bit of kit. I love these. And that sits on our Kamado unit. So this is about 700mm wide, and underneath we have a big drawer in there. The Kamados always come with lots of accessories, so that is a perfect space for keeping ceramic dishes in there, oven gloves, all the handles, everything else you need. Here next to that we have a meter wide unit, and that houses the sink. We've got double doors on there. You open that up, so obviously you've got the sink and tap there, and then on this bit here you can see we've got a pull-out bin as well, which is essential for any outdoor kitchen. You're always going to have waste when you are cooking outside. On the end here we've created a 1200 unit, but what we've done is we've actually spun it around the other way so that the doors are on this side. So rather than having a door just here, which we could have put on as well, having a door there and having access in there, we'd put the doors on this side so that you now got access to the whole cupboard underneath here like that. And that's a huge drawer there with plenty of space in there for storage. You can see the customer's got their Ooni pizza oven on here, so that can be left on here or put away because it's, you know, it's portable. But you can see also that we have left a sort of 250mm overhang here, so this has created like a bar area here. So if you're doing all your cooking down there, you can have your friends sat here. You can also use this as a serving area as well. So the worktops on this one, we have used a compact laminate. This is called Cloudy Cement. This is 12 mil. Compact laminate are layers and layers of laminate, so just glued together. So it's very good for outside, it's very good for the water, it's very good for the heat. This is a very good cost-effective way to have a worktop outside. So you can have granite, you can have Decton, that are hugely expensive, but if you're looking to try and save a bit of money on the worktops, then this is a really, really good option. So I think this works really well, this kitchen, in the space that the customer's got. In this perfectly formed gun, you've got the little tiki bar at the end there, you've got a shelter at the end with the table and chairs, so you've got everything you need here for outdoor dining and entertaining. And this is the first video we've done of our new Lexola range of kitchens, which we're really, really excited about. They've been a long time in the process of making and designing, so now that we've finally launched them, it's great to come out now and start videoing them and photographing them. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.